Most of the times, if you think it's a suspicious email or it's a scam email, you're probably going. Your first tip is, if you don't know, don't click. I'm going to say it again because it's that important. If you don't know, don't click. And I pause there because it's that important. Most of the times, if you think it's a suspicious email or it's a scam email, you're probably going to be right because it doesn't fit the normalities of what an email should be. So I'll give you a couple tips here. The first one is the email address that it's coming from. Even though it says it comes from mom, somebody that you trust, check the email address that it's being sent from. Is it a random email address with a .fr, .xy, or some .random email address? Make sure that the email address matches the name. Check for some key characteristics. Misspelling is a key one, but with AI, that's kind of going away. Check for urgency. So urgency to click on a link to pay a fine. Urgency to click on a link to get a reward. Some sort of urgency to make you act quick enough so your reasoning doesn't kick in to be able to say, hey, wait, something doesn't feel right on this. Also check the links, where they're trying to send you. Don't click on the emails. If today cleared up even one headache, a weird pop-up, an AI worry, or a stubborn printer, you're already ahead. Write down the one fix or idea that helped most and try it before the week's out. If you found this useful and informative, please share it with someone who could use a little help making their tech life a little easier.